Hi everyone, this is the Lab 2 setup section for the coming many tasks. So similarly like Lab 1, first you have to go and make sure that you log in as an admin. So it's pretty simple. Just point your mouse to this lightning icon and click, and then press Ctrl Alt Delete, then switch user. Then just log in as instructed here. Sorry, it shouldn't be my password. Then you are logged in. So we done this part here. So this is another setup for your coming task, but it's a little bit confusing if you have not dealt with Microsoft product before. If you click on the resources, it will give you a lot of this credential. So this is one we have done. So mainly is logged into your lab section like what we are doing here. Then you will see that for this section, you are given a Microsoft Azure account. So what is this a Microsoft Azure account? Microsoft Azure basically is a Microsoft cloud. It's a cloud product by Microsoft. You can just think it that way. And the name is called Azure or Azure. So depend on how you call it. Then we have another credential. This one is actually meant for if you want to manage the security, if you want to go into the Entra, if you want to go to the security center, you have to log in using this one. So just don't be confused. And this part, right, is actually a virtual machine. What's a virtual machine? Virtual machine basically is I can call it a software machine, which run on the Azure. So meaning that when you log into Azure, you can always have access to the virtual machine. And virtual machine is just like a server, but it is actually running virtually. So meaning that you can log into this server. So this is the credential used to log in. So if you first been introduced to Microsoft product and never deal with virtual machine, hopefully I think this one can clear it up, clear all this up for you. So with that, we can straight move on into our first task. So you have to read this through, try to understand this as well. Then what we can do next is we will start to log in. So basically just type the Microsoft, so we have to log into the Microsoft admin. Similarly, this task here, right, is to reset all the password for the second lab section. So what we need to do here is you have to sign in. Sign in using what? You have to sign in using the admin into a Microsoft security. Remember, we are going into the security center to reset the password. So what we need to do then here is on the left bar, as we did in the lab one, click on this, expand user, and select all active user. Then click on display name. We want to reset everyone except MOD, administrator, and Microsoft Service account. So after you've done this, so we can go and reset those password now. So the reset password will be here. So just click reset password and uncheck this all and key in your password. So I actually created my own password. It will be slightly complicated. So done. So record it down, your password. So this is my password. So next, what we need to do is we need to enable Microsoft 365 audit. So since this is still working on it, so let me open another window, log in into Microsoft admin. You can actually create many tabs to get your job done easily. So go to the hamburger menu, then show all, then go to compliance as we did in the previous lab. So we are now at the Microsoft Purview. Then click on Audit. So make sure that according to here, your new search tab is select. So this is a new search tab select. And is the instructions here we're asking you to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. So you have to stay here for maybe for a while. Then check if this button here, like we did before, a button here, something like button in blue color called start recording user admin activity appear. After that you click on this, then you will be completed this task. So in my case here I already did that, so I will not see the search tab anymore. So that's it for the lab 2 setup.